Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to create your clips on YouTube mobile. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright. Open YouTube. And search and open your like it video, your favorite video, and search and click on pause and open video and search like, share, remix, download, thanks, and clip or save. Alright, click on clip and search your like it moment and this, and search duration and change duration. Alright, and this moment, and click on add a title and write title, hello, return, and click on share clip. Share Telegram, WhatsApp, mail, message, Viber, and more. Copy link. Alright, and click on back, close, and click on right corner your profile and click on your clips, and these clips. Click on back and click on three dots, share or delete clip. Alright, that's all.